I wanted to do just a quick update. I did a video on this product here. This is a pulse generator from Leo Bodnar. Bodnar, gotta get it pronounced correctly, Bodnar. They sent this to me, and I was using it to show rise time measurements on oscilloscopes, and then extracting the bandwidth of your oscilloscope from knowing the rise time. So you could turn on a measurement. Let's see here. Oops. Wow. All right. All right. Well, you guys were lucky. You got to see a crash of the keysight. It does crash once in a while. It's still a bit buggy. Let's see if we can't get a picture here on the screen of our... All right, I've turned on the measurement of the rise time. We're getting around 420 picoseconds, which is about a 1 gigahertz oscilloscope, so that's all working fine and dandy. Now, one of the things that I did notice, and other people pointed out, is, let's go back a bit here, let's see. Can you see it? There's ringing on the positive edge and there's ringing on the negative edge. All right, so we get a little ring there and a little ring there. And it's a question of, is that on the pulse generator, or is it a sync pulse sine x over x type of filtering on the oscilloscope? And so it looks too uniform. I would think it's probably a digital filter artifact, but I have a friend. So I gave my friend the pulse generator to go measure. Unfortunately, he doesn't have it at home any longer, but he has oscilloscopes at work that he can use. He put that on a keysight oscilloscope that is 160 gigasamples per second real time. Yeah, get that through your head. 160 gigasamples per second, and makes it a 62.3 gigahertz real-time oscilloscope. Pretty nice. And we can look at the rise time, and it's about 20 picoseconds. So it is measuring well under spec. I think they say the rise time is guaranteed less than 30 picoseconds, and obviously it's way less than 30 picoseconds. That's good. But if you notice the shape of the waveform, there's no ringing, okay? And so, yes, indeed, the ringing that we saw on the keysight 1 gigahertz oscilloscope is the sync pulse, sync filter, sine x over x type of filter processing on the waveform. Fall times seem to be about 21.3. And wouldn't it be nice to have that zoomy oscilloscope? All right, well, there you go. Just another quick look at the Leo Bodnar Electronics pulse generator. Is a handy little thing to have.